Okay, good morning everyone. Before we process with the detail feature in this Excel file, I would like to provide a brief introduction to today's discussion. As shown on this slide, we will evaluate the sales weekly meeting, covering the sales progress, issue encounter, and the achievement of target sales. With that, let's move forward to weekly target sheet to begin our review. For number one, this is the first week, and the first product on this week is Adidas Ultraboost 22 with a monthly quantity is 300 pieces with customer name is TFY. The purchase order on 25 October is 250. The forecast is 280. The actual realization is 240. So the balance is minus 40, meaning that the target was not achieved. And the issue here is delivery place with the action plan is confirm correct hub, and PIC in this chart is logistic, and due date is 3 October 2025. And for the next product on this week is Adidas Samba OG with monthly quantity is 200 pieces with customer name is AHP. The Forecast order on 25 October is 170. The forecast is 180. The actual realization for now is 165. So the balance is minus 15. The meaning is the target was not reached. And the issue here is delivery place and action plan is prioritize dispatch with PIC in charge is warehouse, and the due date is for October 2025. And for the last product on this week is Adidas Gazelle with monthly quantity is 180 pieces with customer name is NOP, and the purchase order on 25 October is 150. The forecast is 170, and the actual realization is 140. So the balance is minus 30, meaning that the target was not reached. The issue here is delivery place, and for the action plan is adjust delivery slot with PIC in this chart is sales and logistic. The due date is 5 October 2025. And number two is the second week. The first product in this week is Adidas Superstar with monthly quantity is 250 pieces with customer number is LYK. The forecast order on 25 October is 200 pieces, and the forecast is 230, and the actual realization for now is 210. So the balance is minus 20, meaning that the target was not reached. And then the same issue is delivery place. For the action plan is update system mapping, and PIC in chart is logistic, and due date is 10 October 2025. For the last product on this week is Adidas Run Falcon with monthly quantity is 170 pieces with customer name is CNY. The forecast order on 25 October is 150. The forecast is 160. So the actual realization is 140. So the balance is minus 20, meaning that the target was not reached. And then the issue here is is delivery place, and for the action plan is add buffer lead time, and PIC in this chart is logistic, and the due date is 11 October 2025. For number three, this is the third week. For the product name is Adidas Zero SL with monthly quantity is 200 pieces, and for the customer name is CAB, and the purchase order on 25 October is 180. The forecast is 190. The actual realization for now is 170, so the balance is minus 20, meaning that the target was not reached. And the issue here is delivery place with the action plan is change courier partner. PIC in this chart is PPIC, and the due date is 16 October 2025. And the next product is Adidas Court Revival with monthly quantity is 150 pieces, and the customer name is B8 BGAs. I'm sorry, BGAs. And for the purchase order on 25 October is 120. The forecast is 140, and the actual realization is 125. So the balance is minus 15, meaning that the target was not reached. And the issue here is delivery place, and for the action plan is double check address. And PIC in chart is shipping team, and the due date is 17 October 2025. And for number 4, this is the 4th week. The product name is Adidas Campus 00S with monthly quantity is 200 pieces, with name customer is MHD. And then the purchase order on 25 October is 170. The forecast is 180. The actual realization is 160. So the balance is minus 20. And we have a same issue is delivery place. For the action plan is assign fixed courier, and PIC in this chart is sales, and due date is 22 October 2025. And the last product is Adidas Duramo SL with monthly quantity is 160 pieces. The customer name is POG, and the purchase order on 25 October is 140. The forecast is 160, and the actual realization is 150. So the balance is 100 minus 10, and the issue is delivery place, and the action plan is at earlier dispatch time. The PIC in this chart is warehouse, and due date is 23 October 2025. After reviewing the weekly target sheet and understanding the progress and issue for each product, we will now move on to the next session, the achieve target sheet. Provide a clear summary of how each product performed compared to its target. And then let's take a look the achieve target data in detail. Okay, for number 1, the product is Adidas Ultra Boost 2022. 22. And the target is 300 pieces, with the achievement is 240, result in 80%, which means the target was not achieved, and the reason is delivery to wrong hub. So the action plan is hub customization and address validation handled by logistic, and due date on 3 October 2025. For the number 2, the product name is Adidas Samba OG. The target is 200, and the achievement is 165, result in 83%, which means the target was not achieved, and the reason is delay at transit center. So the action plan is daily follow-up to transit center handled by warehouse, and due date on 4 October 2025. And for the number 3, the product name is Adidas Gazella. The target is 180. The achievement is 140, result in 78%, which means the target was not achieved, and the reason is delivery schedule mismatch. And for the action plan is delivery schedule synchronization handled by sales logistic, and due date on 5 October 2025. And for the number 4, the product name is Adidas Superstar. The target is 250. The achievement is 210. So result in 84%, which means the target was not achieved, and the reason is wrong drop of location. And the action plan is update mapping drop point handled by admin logistic, and due date on 10 October 2025. For the number 5, the product name is Adidas Run Falcon. The target is 170. The achievement is 140. Result in 82%. And then meaning that the target was not achieved. The reason is store arrival delay. So the action plan is daily tracking and time buffer. The handled by logistic and the due date on 11 October 2025. And the number 6, the product name is Adidas Adi0SL and the target is 200 pieces. The achievement is 170 pieces. Result in 85%, which means the target was not achieved, and the reason is courier health package. And for the action plan is courier vendor evaluation handled by PPIC, due date on 16 October 2025. And for the number 7, the product name is Adidas Core Revival and the target is 150. The achievement is 125. Result in 83%, which means the target was not achieved. For the reason is wrong brand delivery. So the action plan is double check address brands handled by shipping team and due date on 17 October 2025. And the number 8, the product name is Adidas Campus 00S. The target is 200 and the achievement is 160. Result in 80%, meaning that the target was not achieved. For the reason is recipient miscommunication and the action plan is confirm the recipient contact handled by sales and the due date on 22 October 2025. And for the number 9, the product name is Adidas Duramo SL with the target is 160 and the achievement is 150 and the result in is 84%, which means the target was achieved. And because the target was achieved, there is no reason. And for the action plan is maintain delivery consistency handled by warehouse and due date on 23 October 2025. Okay, to wrap our discussion today, we have reviewed the progress for each product, identified the issue, and outlined the action plans and responsibility. Hopefully, with better coordination and faster follow-up, we can increase our achievement in the next reporting period. Thanks for your time and attention. Goodbye.